Another sunrise mission. This is the second one this week. This time it's a still photo shoot for my friend Carolina. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning almost. I have to be out of here in 3 hours. Just been working late. I charging all my batteries. So before a shoot, before I go to do something, my life looks a bit like this, which is crazy, and this is only half the stuff. It's all charging. And we're gonna go and explore some beaches and waterfalls tomorrow. So I'm really excited. Well, actually it's not tomorrow. It's like basically now.
A few moments later.
And it's now 5:30 a.m. I literally just went into my bed. I was on my phone. I did not sleep. The light is gonna be perfect. Let's jump into that. Bright and early, it is Bobby. He is back on the vlog.
So it's nice to meet you again, Dave.
Yes, really great to see you, man. Great to see you. Okay, I'm gonna put some stuff in here. This lovely, lovely model is here at a secret location. A secret location. Very secret. And we're about to shoot some content for her incredible coaching business. If you have a life and you need to be coached, this is your life coach. Done. What do you think?
Of your new bag? I think your new bag is pretty awesome.
What do you think of the photo shoot?
The photo shoot was super fun.
Yes?
Super fun. Yeah.
You're just saying that?
No, for real. Like in the ocean, the morning sunrise in Bali. I've been here for 4 years and still a beauty every time. It's just so amazing. Look at the waves, look at the waves.
I think this morning we've officially experienced some of the Bali magic. Like, what on earth is going on here? Like, this is crazy. This is also going with the theme of this last few vlogs. We're the only people here right now. We haven't seen anybody. I mean, it is still pretty early in the morning, but still, like, not one surfer, not one boat, not one other human being at all. This secret location is really good. Who told you about this location?
Oh, someone.
Oh. We are here now at a secret waterfall, and we've got, of course, lots of stairs. Once again, we are the only people here. There's a nice waterfall though. No other people. So amazing.